Motell Granite the Great. On behalf of Cold Crown, KLD, KROWN, I want y'all to know that I would like to today salute drugs. I would like to give it a standing ovation, half moon, all the way around the world and back. Because what drugs have accomplished, no other man can get done or withstand that type of success. Drugs have managed to levitate into somebody's system and cause them to do stuff naturally that they wouldn't be able to do. It has made a way for some people who don't have a way. It has created a phenomenon that will go on until the end of time. Now, despite this being a hiccup in the conversation, it has a place because there is a positive side, a flip side to where this thing actually works. And where it works at is if you are dealing with a huge amount of pain, physical pain, this thing can actually make that subside or calm down at least for a little bit of time. I got to salute that. Because if you've ever had anything throbbing, bleeding, or just hurting profusely, sometimes an injection or this type of thing used as a pipe substance, used as a smoke tower, a tobacco unit, or whatever it is, that this device is capable of making you feel better. Sometimes they call them uppers, sometimes they call them downers, but nonetheless, it will spin you into a world you're not ready for. So I got to salute this. And the reason why I got to salute it again is because it is allowed, it is accepted to be a vice for people to get through their days. So I can't do nothing but salute anything that helps man or woman get through their damn problems. It's the best I can say. Much respect. Love y'all.